Streetlights blur on London rain. A memory takes its hold. 1,000 hours of bass, a sweet vibration, a story to unfold. Your rhythm in the smoky air, a touch, a knowing glance. A world we built beyond compare. A timeless, tender dance. Years are spun like vinyl discs. A silence in between, but in the quiet something risks to surface yet unseen. That feeling lingers soft and low, a warmth upon my skin, a whisper of the afterglow, where our two worlds begin. The chemistry, bittersweet, a slow burning inner fire. The way we move, a whispered sigh, a language understood. Your touch, a melody so deep, a gentle art, secrets that our bodies keep. Memories in the heart, the stolen moments late at night, beneath the city stars, a fragile incandescent light. Beyond the fading scars, no harsh words now, no bitter sting. Maybe a song for the best, a quiet hope, a feeling meant to last, a gentle pull across the silent years, a wish for moments we once shared, to quell these quiet tears. Your sound, a backdrop then, to stolen glances, shy smiles. A different chapter, now and when, across these passing miles. The friend I was, a memory faint, across the years we've strayed.